Alright, so hey guys, it's Jessica, and today I'm going to be doing a first impressions on sort of three things, I guess. So the first one isn't that exciting. It's this Morphe brush, the M510. It is a highlighting brush, so I'm going to be using this. But the more important things are I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution and Soph palettes. So this is the highlighter palette. Got this on Ulta's website for $12. Looks like this. It's beautiful. And this is how the highlighters look. So there is, these four are baked, I believe. No, these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think. No, these are pressed. So these are baked highlighters, and then these are pressed highlighters. So yes, I'm really excited to use this because I've been wanting these forever. And then the next one is the Makeup Revolution and Sophie Does Nails eyeshadow palette. This is how the carton looks like. So I usually don't start off my videos with having makeup on already, but I didn't want to take you through the process, so I just did my brows, my base. I also did use something new for my base. I used this Wet n Wild contouring palette in Dulce de Leche, and it worked out really good. I like that. It's like $5. Okay, so this is how the palette looks like. It's matte, and then it has the Rose Gold name on it. And I'm going to try to show this. I have not tested this out. I literally got it like 2 hours ago. Not even lying. It came in the mail like 2 hours ago. I've been waiting for it for like 2 weeks. Okay, so... Oh, no, the thing's just... Okay, I'll show you the names later. This is how the palette looks. Oh my god. Okay, so this is how the palette looks like. There's, I think, 12 matte shades. And... No. I don't know. Well, anyway. Yeah, so this is how the palette looks like. It is beautiful. I love it. And then it also came with like this little card that like has all the names of all of the shadows in it. So yeah, it's really cute. I love the names. They're so like, I don't know, they're so her. Like, I don't know. I do watch her videos. That's why I bought it. And it took me forever to get a hold of these. They were sold out for so long, and then they finally got in. And I had ordered the highlighter first, and I was like, because the eyeshadow wasn't in stock, and then like a day later the eyeshadow was in stock, so I had to make 2 transactions, but they came on the same day. I was really happy about that. So for the eyeshadow palette, I paid $15 for it, and I did buy this with my own money. I had a gift card, so yeah. So first we're gonna try out the highlighter. I don't know. I want to try it out because of this brush, though. This brush looks like it's going to be perfect for highlighting. I don't know. I feel like it's going to be perfect because I think Jeffree Star uses this one. I'm pretty sure the M510. And I used this one before. It's just a fan brush, but I don't know. I wanted to try this one, so I ordered it. It was only $8. So I ordered that. So no, I think I'm going to go with the eyeshadow first. I'm so scared because I don't want to mess it up. Let me take a picture first. Hold up. Oh, you guys like my decorations? Look at my Valentine's Day decorations. Isn't it so cute? And if you guys are asking about that, that is my Christmas tree. And it looks like a dead body. Get right into it. Okay, so first we're going to use this beautiful eyeshadow palette. I am so excited. So I'm so scared to like dig into it, but you know, it's makeup. And if it's good, your homegirl's got to get a backup, right? Okay, so yeah, it's a drugstore brand, so like it's not that expensive. It's not like a $50 palette like the toasted one from Tarte or like the Naked palette. So like I don't mind spending another $15 on another, like on the same palette. So first I'm just gonna prime my lids, and I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in shade 15 Fair. Been waiting for a lifetime for you. guys haven't heard that song, the Liam Payne and Rita Ora song for 50 Shades Freed, you guys should go listen to it. I highly recommend it. I really like that song. Another song that I'm liking right now is Rewrite the Stars from The Greatest Showman. It's Zendaya and Zac Efron. Oh my god, that song's beautiful. Go check those songs out if you love anything that's like romantic and beautiful. I forgot to put my ears on, so let's do that. So now I am going to take this fluffy blending brush, and I'm gonna go into, okay, so I have the shade names here. So I'm gonna go into the shade Penguin, which is this white color right here, and I'm just going to set. Riley, be quiet. I'm just gonna. I can use the mirror in here. This mirror is so huge, and I'm just going to set that concealer. Okay, so once that's done, I'm gonna go into the shade right next to it called Pancakes. Called Pancakes right here. It's like this light transition shade. So I'm gonna go into there. I love these shades named like Pancakes. It's so funny. Kind of look like pancakes. So I'm just building up the Riley, shut up. I love my dog. Don't get me wrong. So there, I'm gonna build up transition shades. So now I'm gonna go in with Iced Coffee, which is this one right here. Go into that one, and I'm gonna put that in my crease again. I don't want to dig in there because I don't want this palette to mess up because it's so beautiful. I was watching a Soph do her. So now I'm going into Cup of Tea, which is this darker shade right here. I'm gonna go into that one. I was watching Soph do the makeup tutorial that she did it when she announced it, and she did that red, it was like a red bronzy smoky look, and it was so pretty, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to pull that off, only because one, I don't know how to do makeup that good, and two, I like to stick to my neutral brown colors and gold sparkly. So I don't think that would have worked for me, but I don't know, I'm down to try it. So yeah, these colors are blending beautifully. I'm gonna move my mirror out of the way. I don't even need that anymore. So yeah, I don't know what shade I should go in with. I'm gonna go in with, what is this one called? Tiramisu. It's this color right here, and I'm gonna go into it, and I'm gonna build it up in my outer corner. So I'm sorry, that's the dryer going on. My mom's drying clothes. Hope that's what you hear in the background. Then I'm sorry. My mom is drying clothes, and Riley's trying to escape my room. Great. So I'm not dipping my brush all the way in. I'm just getting a little bit of color, and I'm just packing it on. No, you can't. It doesn't really tell in that I actually have colors, but I actually do. It looks really nice. I like it. And then with my finger, I'm gonna go in with. Let's do Pink Champagne, which is this color right here. Oh, this color. Oh, there's my phone. Hey. So yeah, I'm gonna go into Pink Champagne. Just gonna go with my finger. Oh, look how beautiful that is. You see that? Oh. I'm flipping everybody off. I really. Okay, so I have another video that I filmed before this, and it's already edited. I just don't know when I should upload it because I don't want it to be on at a weird upload time. So I couldn't upload it today because I was cleaning, so I didn't have time to upload. So I think that's gonna be good for the eyes. It's just a simple smoky, not smoky because it's natural, but it's just a simple look, and I'm like, you could do a lot with this palette. Like there's a purple, a blue, a green, like red, like you could do a lot with this palette. I mean, I chose to do like the most basic look ever, but you know, you can make it work. I highly recommend this palette. I don't think it's gonna be sold in stores, or at least I haven't seen it in stores. So I ordered this online, Ulta.com, $15. Highly recommend. Now I'm excited. I am. Oh, what is this? You see that? Like, oh, you guys don't see it. So now I'm gonna go in with my brush. I don't know which color I want to do. Look how can you see how scratched it is? Like, I got it like this. I was super mad. I was like, come on guys, like, be careful with your packaging. I really want to, I don't know which one I want to go into. This one's, I want to do this one. Okay, so I'm going to do like 3 different highlighters because, oh, I need a mirror for this one because this one's clear. It does not have a mirror, so I'm just going to bring that mirror back in. Oh, this brush though, this brush is good too. Riley, I'm filming a video. Ooh. 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 And I love that it has like these deeper shades over here for deeper skin tones, like, and then she has like this, like, so this is the light section, like for light skin people, and this is like the more bronzy girls, but like, you know, oh my goodness, look at that highlight. It's beautiful. Love it. Thank you, Soph. Thank you so much for this. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with, let's go with the purple, because, you know, YOLO. You know. So I got some on the other side of my brush. Oh my god. Girl, that was like one, like I literally went like in the palette, and I was just like, oh, girl, you're killing me here. Oh my god, I have to wake up early tomorrow. I have to go to a fundraiser, but you know, I'm gonna be popping because I'm gonna be wearing this all day. So those were 2 baked ones. So I'm gonna go in with one of the pressed shadows, and I'm gonna go in with this, the white one right here, and I'm gonna do that on my nose. Yeah, I feel like this is gonna be like too white. Okay, first of all, Riley. First of all, I love this brush. Oh my god, it's so much better than using a fan brush. This is the Morphe M510. Highly recommend. Oh my god, look at that highlight. Do you see that? Oh my god. I'm gonna use more. Let's go in with the pinky shade. So I went in with this shade in the corner, and I'm gonna do that on my Cupid's bow. Live. Oh my god. Highlighted to the heavens. Okay. This palette you need to buy right now. This brush you need to buy right now. The eyeshadow palette you need to buy right now. Oh my god. Look at that glow though. Okay. So I don't feel like doing the rest of my eyes, only because it's about, I think it's about like 9:30 at night. I also have these Morphe brushes that I have not used. I'll probably use them, in a video. I'll try those. I know I haven't uploaded in a while. I'm so sad. I'll probably upload tomorrow if I get a chance. I'm going to do some fundraiser thing for cheer. So this is the final look, but I overall 100% love these two palettes. On first impressions, I love these two palettes. They are beautiful. Like, look at that highlight, and like you don't even need that much, and you get 8 different colors in here, and it's only $12. Like, that's good. For the eyeshadow palette, I feel like, ooh, for the drugstore, I mean, like, this is awesome. Like, usually you don't hear people talking about Makeup Revolution only because it's a London brand, but like, this is perfection. Like, if you want to buy one palette from the drugstore, buy this palette. I mean, it might be hard for you to find, but like, honestly, I think it's 100% worth it because this is beautiful. So anyway, so this is the final look. Riley, shh. This is the final look, and I am living for it. Like, look at that. Oh, I can't get over this highlight. Okay, so yes, I would recommend these two palettes. I would recommend the brush if you're looking for a good highlighting brush. It's only $8. Perfect. So yeah, I love it. I'm gonna link all the things that I used on my face down below, and yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, like this video up. I need to figure out when I'm gonna start posting again because my schedule is so off. I'm thinking about doing Tuesdays and Thursdays because I don't know, I feel like that's the easiest time for me. So yeah, I'll let you guys know. Well, I'm out. Okay, bye guys. Mwah.